Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Fuel Brain. Today we are diving into some calculus magic. We are going to learn how to find the derivative of a to the power x using the limit method. If you are ready to boost your math skills, let's get started. First, let's recall the definition of derivative for a function f of x. The derivative of is f prime of x is given by the limit f prime of x is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x over h. Today our function is f of x is equal to e to the power x, where a is constant, so we need to find the limit. Where a is constant so we need to find the limit. Derivative of e to the power x with respect to dx is equal to limit h tends to 0 a to the power x plus h minus a to the power x over h. Let's break this down step by step. First, we'll use the properties of exponent to write a to the power x plus h. A to the power x plus h is equal to a to the power x into a to the power h. So, our limit becomes derivative of a to the power x with respect to dx is equal to limit h tends to 0 a to the power x into a to the power h minus a to the power x whole over h. Next, we can factor a to the power x out of numerator and we'll find limit h tends to 0 a to the power x whole into a to the power h minus 1 over h. Since a to the power x is independent of h, a to the power x is independent of h, we can move it outside of the limit. Then it will become a to the power x limit s tends to 0, a to the power h minus 1 over h. Now comes to the interesting part. This limit h tends to 0, a to the power h minus 1 over h is a known limit in calculus. For any constant a, limit equals the natural logarithm of a denoted as ln a. This is equal to natural log of a. So our expression become derivative of a to the power x with respect to dx is equal to a to the power x into natural log of a. This result is super useful in many areas of calculus and beyond. I hope this step-by-step explanation helped you understand how to find the derivative of a to the power x using the limit method. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe my Fuel Brain and hit the bell icon so never miss a math lesson. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.